Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 2. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 2. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 9th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 9th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about Creative Question 2 and then you have to write the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Creative Question Answer 2. Here is the step. I'm reading the step. Ever smiling and happy Neela has suddenly become calm and quiet. She keeps confined within her room and barely talks to others. She does not feel interested in taking food too. Seeing such a condition in which Neela is currently in, her mother tries to talk openly with her. She asked Neela to tell about her physical state. Neela, though feeling constrained at first, became gradually normal with her mother. Students, from this stem, we come to know that Neela, who is a girl, is passing the time of her puberty. And in this time, there are some changes: physical, mental, emotional, moral. So she is physically changed because of puberty, and she wants to stay isolated. And her mother noticed all this, and she talked with Neela openly. And after that, she felt good. Now we'll do some questions based on this step. Our first question is, when does the body need excess food and energy during its rapid development? I'm repeating, the question is, when does the body need excess food and energy during its rapid development? The answer is during the period of puberty. I'm repeating, during the period of puberty, the body needs excess food and energy during its rapid development. Now come to number B. The question is, lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. Explain. I'm repeating the question, lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. You have to explain this line. And here is our answer. During the period of puberty, changes take place in the state of mind as well as in behaviors simultaneously with physical changes. Adequate food and energy is necessary for children for their rapid physical growth. They become easy victims of fatigue. So, it can be said that lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. So, you can get the idea of puberty, and all this happen in this time. So, in this time, you all have to take nutritious food to avoid malnutrition. You have to take care of yourself. Okay, now come to question number C. Our question is, explain the type of physical change which makes Neela behave as evil. I'm repeating the question, explain the type of physical change which makes Neela behave as evil. Okay students, I have written the answer here, and with the help of your textbook, you can write the answer. Okay, Neela was ever smiling and happy. Now she barely talks to others and does not feel interested in taking food too. She likes to remain calm and quiet. Nila's age is responsible for her changed behavior. Nila is going through puberty. So there are rapid physical changes in Nila, simultaneously with the change in the state of mind. Nila's behavior is the result of her rapid physical changes. Students, as you are the students of class 6, Nila is like you. She is like your age. In this time, we have some changes physically and mentally. So as she is going through the puberty time, she has some changes like physically and mentally, and that's why she wants to keep her confined at home, and she doesn't feel interested to talk with others, and also she doesn't want to take food in time, and it's not good. This time we all have to take our food properly, and we have to take various kinds of foods for our good health. So I hope you will maintain all this in your time. Okay, now come to number D. Our question is, role of Nila's mother will make Nila used to making normal behaviors. Show logic in support of this sentence. I'm repeating the question. Role of Nila's mother will make Nila used to making normal behaviors. Show logic in support of this sentence. Okay, students, come here. Due to some sort of hesitation and timidity working within her, Nila does not tell anyone of her several changes and problems that she confronts at the age of puberty. It happens with everyone, and everyone feels like that. And we have to share our ideas with our parents and with the person whom we trusted. Ever smiling and happy Nila has suddenly become calm and quiet. Some abnormal behavior are seen in her. So her mother tries to talk openly with her. The hesitation and timidity working within her will be expressed by. She will be able to know that the matter she considers as a problem is actually a normal and natural change during adolescence. If the problems of this age are discussed with any dependable person, their advice will help her to get rid of the anxieties of this age. So, I think that the role played by Nila's mother will help her to make her habituated to normal behavior. So, like Nila, if you share your ideas, your feelings with your mother or the person whom you think you can share all your feelings, you'll feel better like Nila. Look here the line. So I think that the role played by Nila's mother will help her to make her habituated to normal behavior. So if our mother help us and if we share our ideas with our mother, we will be able to lead a normal life. Now students, I'm giving your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer A-B from 2. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question answer A-B from 2. It means question number A, when does the body need excess food and energy during its rapid development, and lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition? Explain. These two will be your homework. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. A lecture number is 9 and homework number is also 9. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.